All right, welcome back. Here is Unit 7. This is your intro video on circles. We have 5 skills for this unit. We're going to start off with a little bit of review on quadrilaterals and finding the perimeter and area of those. Then we'll switch over to area of triangles. We'll talk about the circumference of circles, the area of circles, and then sectors of circles. So like, what are those and how do you find the area of them? Here is your skills rubric for this unit. So you'll see that there are mild, medium, and spicy for our first 2 topics. The circumference of circles has a little bit of a change from the one that's got that it was printed off. This spot right here, that is a change. We found some delta math stuff that we preferred over the IXL, so we're going to switch it over to delta math for that skill. And then area and sectors of circles, we only have medium and spicy. Head on over to the videos for perimeter and area of quadrilaterals. You'll find those on Schoology in the Unit 7 folder for Topic 1.